Hello, sir. The people want to see how you've been living. Are we gonna have any grapes left if you just eat them all?
No. This is my lunch. What are you talking about?
So no winery here yet, but we're about at harvest. It's the 29th of August right now. We're gonna go over to Brandy's property, the original property, and do the Tempranillo tonight because that's just getting sun-baked. But all these others probably got another week or two left on them. A little unsure about this guy's driving, let alone the legality of driving that tractor on the road. All right, 2 in the morning. We're out at Brandy's vineyard. Gonna pick the Tempranillo tonight. Luckily, it's not a massive block, so it shouldn't take forever. But it's early in the morning, that's for sure. All right, don't listen to me. I was wrong. We ended up staying in this vineyard till the sun came out. A lot more grapes out here than we thought. We were expecting 3 to 3.5 tons. Ended up a bit over 5. Tempranillo has very large clusters, so we probably should have expected that, especially the way this vineyard is planted, which is pretty dense. Nevertheless, we're excited to get more. Obviously, it's better than getting less. In particular, this year, with the heat wave, everything kind of ripened at different times, so we ended up with a fair amount of veraison still, whereas those green berries are still on the grapes. We're going to be able to sort those a little more aggressively now because we have so much extra, so we're excited about that. But yeah, that day done, on to the next vineyard.